Whether you have one site or multiple, you can benefit from FactoryTwin's predictive and prescriptive analytics. Critical factory data is often stored in various formats and locations. FactoryTwin integrates data from all sources and utilizes advanced analytics and AI to solve practical planning and execution problems that manufacturers encounter every day. Running a factory efficiently means every decision, planning, execution, and improvement must be data-driven. FactoryValidator real-time diagnostics ensure your data is clean and reliable, avoiding the trap of garbage in, garbage out. Rapid scenario analysis builds complex what-if scenarios in minutes. Let's explore each in detail. FactoryValidator evaluates a factory's various data sources and flags missing or inconsistent data points. Digital CI analyzes historic production data and identifies improvement opportunities. Sales and operations planning strengthens and automates a factory's long-term planning capabilities. Sales and operations execution provides complete visibility of WIP position and predicts near-term bottlenecks and delivery statuses. Rapid scenario analysis builds complex what-if scenarios in minutes, enabling quick experiments on the live model of one or more factories before implementing any changes on the shop floor. Request a demo to see how FactoryTwin can drive productivity gains across your shop floor.